Today is Sunday, and guys, we are harvesting. No, I won't make the thing plenty. So, guys, we are harvesting today, Sunday. One is already done. No be lie. Let me show you guys the work that is ongoing here in my farm. We are not joking in the sound. I see my baby. My baby is making seed. Wow. A man camera. Now, do you cut first? My fans. Yes. How many cut here too? One. That this the way you pack put here. For no put them for you. You put them another distance because after the carry go. Where you go now? Carry the back. So my fans, today we are harvesting again. Today is Sunday. Better woman. She was picking, helping me pick the seed and the bunches. Yeah, we just got one. Give me the camera. So I'm going to be loading it. You don't understand? Don't play. You play, you're going to learn. You're going to learn the hard way, guys. Okay, watch it. Look at it here. So guys, stay tuned to my channel as I bring you live updates from today's harvest. You don't understand? It's not easy to be a farmer. Yeah, back. I'll go and bring you this thing. So if you have watched this video to this point, that simply means you are finding my videos informative, educating about what engage. Don't forget, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri. Don't play. I will drop this thing. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. You know understand? They come. She's there now. I know that the harvest this time, because of rainy season, it will not be plenty. The harvest this season will not be much because of this rain. The rain is too much. Oh, no green. Oh. How many notice? The number second bunches I am picking from today. This is like the second bunches that we are picking for today. So if you have watched my video to this point, that simply means you're finding our videos informative, educative, and above all what engaging. So what you have to do for us is hit the subscribe button. If you're watching these videos on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. If you're coming across this video on TikTok, hit the follow button, the plus sign, and on Facebook as well. Follow us. Subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. Come on. Thank you. Because we are your number one. Kind of own. So watch this video to respond simply means you're finding a video informative, educating about what engage. Don't forget, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. You don't understand. Don't play.